Yo guys, just literally point blank period, you guys were not feeling the Air Jordan 1 Green Glows. Let's go ahead and check them out, do a quick review, and I'm gonna throw them on feet just for you guys. I know some people out there that's on the fence that, still trying to decide should they spend that $180, which I highly regard you guys not to. Without further ado, man, let's go ahead and hop into this video. Let's get it. Let's go ahead and check out the box. You guys can see, man, you have that green glow up top. And if you don't know, quick little backstory. I don't want to make this video long, but we got the Air Jordan 3 green glows this year. Of course, inspired by the Air Jordan 4 green glows that released back in 2013, I believe the year was, which you do have here in the collection. Go ahead and check them out. You guys can see them, man. Air Jordan 4 green glows. And if I had to choose between these, the 3s and the 1s, hands down, no brainer, I'm going with the Air Jordan 4 green glows. Just wanted to show you guys them and kind of see how the color does, kind of relate to the Air Jordan 1s that we got this year. So the official colorway reads Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG white, black, green glow. When I got these in the size 9.5, because me myself, I was on the fence. I was like, should I do it on feet? Should I just show you guys today's video? I said, you know what? There's somebody out there that really wants to see them on feet, so I got y'all, man. So let's get this video up to 500 likes. Help your boy out. Let's get in that algorithm. Something I did want to point out that this pair has some really, really nice leather quality. I'm not gonna lie. It wasn't like your generic Air Jordan 1. It's not like one of those filler Air Jordan 1s that we usually get throughout the years. But this one, I feel like they kind of put some thought into. They want to keep that green glow colorway alive. And another silhouette. Like I said, we got the 3s first, and then it's transitioned over to the 1s. But me personally, I do feel like Jordan Brand was doing a little too much with this release right here. Too close to a similar colorway being the 3 green glows. And they come back a couple months later and give us these Air Jordan 1s. And as you guys have been seeing, the Air Jordan 1 has not been the most popular silhouette lately. Everybody wants 4s. Everybody wants Air Jordan 3s, seems like. And the Air Jordan 1, it gotta be a Chicago, gotta be a Bread, or some of that caliber for people to actually want to go out and buy. Not a bad colorway. I do feel like they dropped back in 2013, a little bit earlier in 2013. These will definitely be a sellout. People will be grabbing them. But as time will tell, we shall see how people go back, reach back, and try to get these things to add them to the collection. These do look like one of those shoes that was one of them one-of-ones for a certain player or for an artist or something like that. But when you throw that general release name on it, you give it to the entire public, that kind of diminishes the colorway and kind of diminishes the value, which ultimately people do look at. Like, if they only going for $120, why would somebody go out there and pay $180 plus shipping and taxes on the sneakers app? You feel me? These will definitely be in the outlets. They're already going for like under $140 if I'm not mistaken. I'm gonna check on StockX real quick. But literally, man, it seems like nobody wants these joints right here. So literally the #1 trending sneaker over on StockX, you guys can see right here, we have the Air Jordan 1 green glows. We can drop that tab down. You can see all of them, literally all of them besides the size 15 and up are going for under $130. Bro. I'm gonna screenshot that, put it over here so you guys can see. So nobody's gonna pay $180 knowing the fact that you can go get them for a cheaper price. Nike probably gonna throw these on sale super soon, just like they did with the Air Jordan 1 Royal Reimagines. And like I said, man, don't pay the piper if you ain't got to, but save your money, save your dollars. Me, I'm a sneaker YouTuber, so I gotta come on YouTube, get you guys' opinion, get you guys, vibes around the sneaker in efforts to try to reach out to somebody else. That's why I need y'all to hit that like button. It's getting the algorithm. Somebody out there that love these, man. It's somebody out there that definitely love these Air Jordan 1 green glows. I'm telling y'all. And if you guys already didn't notice, man, we do have on the OutRank tee right here, man. Super nice, super good quality. I've been preaching that to you guys every single time. Every drop, OutRank Brand has you guys covered as far as the pants, the shirts, the hoodies, the hats. Everything OutRank has you guys covered. And like I said, man, this goes perfect with the Air Jordan 1 green glow collection. So if you have the Air Jordan 4 green glows, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys real quick. You want to get you a nice shirt to go with it, just go ahead and check out the collection they just dropped for the green glows. I'm going to show you guys the back as well, man. Super nice graphic work on the back. And if you like me, man, like a minimalistic dresser, like you don't want to do too crazy, nothing too wild or nothing like that, OutRank is the way to go. I've been recommending you guys OutRank all the time. You ask me about where to get your shirts, where to get your clothing and stuff like that. And OutRank definitely is the #1 stop for you guys to go shop and get your clothing to match your kicks. Make sure you guys use my discount code DeVintage to save 10% off your entire order. It's gonna be linked down below in the description box. But back to these Air Jordan 1 green glows, you did get some green glow laces that came with them. Me personally, I would keep the black in there because the green glow is already super loud on the heel and on the toe box. And I'm telling you, even on the outsole, they definitely pop as well, give me that attention. And I just feel like black is just the way to go for me personally. But if you guys rock out with the greens or the black, let me know in the comment section. So yeah, guys, super quick video. I did not want to come over here too long. Just wanted to gauge you guys' opinion, see what you thought about the Air Jordan 1 green glow. Sits in literally everywhere. Do not pay resale yet. Go to the outlets in a couple weeks and get these for about $100. You know they're gonna be on sale everywhere, and probably see them on sale on Nike very soon for like 30-40% off. We shall see what they do. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit the notification bell for your boys so you don't miss out on any content that we do drop over here on the channel, man. Leave a huge like, man. Them likes go a long way, and YouTube puts the video in the algorithm. You guys know, man, we on that grind 100K, bro. The content's been coming. I just hope you guys truly appreciate it. I ain't trying to put no BS out. I'm trying to give you guys some good content to interact with. So hey, man, do your boy a favor, hit that like button. Love y'all, appreciate all the support. Always been said, man, we're gonna have to throw these Air Jordan 1 green glows on feet. Let me catch you guys in the next one, man. Peace.